Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and in this video we will actually delete the cookie from the user's browser when this logout button is clicked. Right now you can see that if I click the logout button, I am redirected back to this myaccount.php. That means the user is still logged in even if I click this logout button. That's because we have not deleted the user's cookie in the logout page. So let's go ahead and do that. So open logout.php in brackets. So to delete the cookie, we will use setCookie method. SetCookie, and the name of the cookie will be the same, user underscore email, and the value will be nothing. And now here is the most important thing here. Now when we set the session, if you remember, here we set it to, we added 5 minutes to the current time. So here we will actually subtract 5 minutes from the current time so that the cookie is expired. So now subtract. Now we are simply saying that get the current time and subtract 5 minutes from the current time. That means that the cookie has already expired. So now it should work. Now save this file and refresh it, and now if I click logout button, let's see what happens. You can see logout successfully. So as you can see, it's working now. Now let's go ahead and organize our code a little bit. As you can see that we are using this if in index.php, myaccount.php, and register.php. So let's create a file and add this code in that file, and so that we will use that file in all of these places, so that we don't have to rewrite all of this code. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's create a new file here. New file, and save it as functions.php, and it will be inside the includes. So save it, and now you can see we have a new file inside functions, inside includes PHP. And now let's create a function here. This function will actually tell if the user is logged in or not. Function, the name of the function will be logged in, and let's make a check here. If let's copy the code from there, copy this from here to here, copy it and come to functions, paste it. We are simply saying if the session is set, or if the cookie is set, if any of these is set, then that means that the user is logged in, so return true. Else return false. Simple enough. Now we will actually include this file in 3 of these files: index, myaccount, and register.php. So let's go ahead and do that. So open index.php, let's copy this include, Control C, Control V. So just change the name of the file, which is functions.php, and copy it from here, Control C, and let's go to myaccount.php. Now let's paste it here as well, save it and save it. Now we just have to make one small change here. We will just use that function to check if the user is logged in or not. So logged in. So if logged in returns true, that means that the user is logged in. Redirect to myaccount.php. Now myaccount.php, we have to make some similar checks. If not logged in, then redirect the user to index.php, which is actually the login page. So here as well, logged in, simply saying if user is logged in, then redirect the user to myaccount.php. Now I think that's good enough. Now let's go ahead and refresh this page, and now let's test it. 1 2 3 4 5, log in. Now let's see if it is working. Yes, it is working, as you can see. Now let's see what happens when we click log out. User is logging out successfully.